The ship repair industry is a vital area of the maritime sector, providing maintenance, repair, and overall services to various types of vessels, including cargo ships, tankers, cruise ships, military vessels, and offshore platforms. Realizing the importance of this industry, the NSTA Trust has been responding to the sector through the delivery of quality training programs. The NSTA Trust is therefore pleased to be partnering with the German Ship Repair Jamaica Limited to advance human development in Jamaica, the region, and on the global landscape.
JSRJ Shipyard is a brand new industry to Jamaica, and we are bringing a lot of overseas expertise in ship repair business from around the world. And what this will provide is the opportunity to use these expertise not just for conducting work, but for training local young Jamaicans in the various fields.
Hi, my name is Rodney Nicholson. I am a past student of National Tools and Engineering Institute, HART, where I completed the course of welding and fabrication levels 2 and 3. And fortunately, I got called to come on an interview at German Ship Repair, where we got training from the company itself and CMU. Originally, I came here for welding, but while being here, they had so many different jobs doing engineering, electrical works. So I was more fascinated in the engineering. I'm now employed as an engine fitter as well.
Hello, I am Joanne Ramsey. I started off at German Ship Repair as an apprentice in May 2017, which was a 3-year program where I came on as a steel fitter and welder. Throughout the 3 years at German Ship Repair, based on the numerous operations done at the facility, there was a need for more staff to fill certain positions at the then workshop before we became a shipyard now at present.
My name is Eric Evans. I was an apprentice for the German Ship Repair Company. Now I'm an employee, where I received my training at the ART, National Tools and Engineering Institute. Then I furthered my training at the Caribbean Maritime University. My experience here at the shipyard, it's a great experience where I get to socialize with other different natives and learn from the best engineer in the world.
My name is Jason Jackson. I was an apprentice at the German Ship Repair. Got my training from National Tool and Engineering Institute. I'm now the team leader for Steelworks.
Over the years, the ship repair industry in Jamaica has benefited tremendously from trainees and apprentices who have received certification through HART institutions such as the Jamaica German Automotive School, the National Tools and Engineering Institute, and the HART College of Construction Services.
Already we are seeing some of our first clients bringing vessels to Jamaica that were not even destined to come to Jamaica. They left where they were operating, which was in the Gulf of Mexico, and the ship was brought here. We completed the repairs and it's now back in the Gulf. HART already trains persons in some of these areas, like welding and engine repairs, to a very high standards. Now we're taking it to what is known as the international classification standard for ships.
I am pleased to announce that the organization will be launching a capacity building center in collaboration with international partners to focus on specialized skill sets for emerging industries such as the ship repair industry. Through this center, we will be introducing skill areas such as steelwork fabrication through our National Tools and Engineering Institute to better prepare our trainees for the industry. I look forward to the benefits to be derived from this collaboration and the continued supply of trainees who have the relevant competencies, attitude and aptitude to satisfy demands of the ship repair industry.